Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Take a look at Tesla. So we had a potential double bottom here turning into a triple bottom. This is a 4-hour chart, so you can see those three retests of the 250 level. That's the clear line in the sand, that 250 level. Based off this, the key area that we'll be watching for a 4-hour close above on a continued rally is about 268. If we get a close above 268, then we'll be watching for a return to 276. And then we're going to switch to the daily chart. And then it's actually the gap fill about 280, but let's check in on that daily chart. So yeah, if we get above this 268 level, that would be the top of the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. Then we'd be watching for that 278 to 280. That's the top of the rotation zone on the daily and the gap fill right here. So that's going to be the very key level of resistance on any rally. Some people may still trade this as a double bottom. You could, if it does trigger, it would have to be on a daily close though, because it's too sloppy on the 4-hour chart. And that's going to take us back. If that does happen, the targets are still up here around the 288 level. So just keep that in mind. The real key resistance is going to be about this 278 level though. So that's what we're watching for the bullish case. Now for the bearish case, if we get a key close down below 249, that is the line in the sand. And then we'll be watching for the next levels lower. And those levels, I have to switch to the weekly chart. Those levels still pretty much the same. We can actually move this down to there at this point. Major level will be about 226 to 229. We have a cluster in there. And then if that's violated, we'd be looking at 208 to 212 based off the current Gann harmonic projections. And on the weekly level, again, this declining 8, so we have the separation of the rotation zone. We zoom in a little more, so you see the bottom of the rotation zone here. So all the way, we kept mentioning that 278, 280, 281, all right in here. There's a ton of resistance going to be. So if you're aggressively playing to the long side, that's going to be a very key area to move up your stops. Or if you're playing it from the short side on any rally up into there, you can look for reversal patterns to possibly enter new short positions for a retest of at least this trend line and then possibly the lows. So that's both the bullish case and the bearish case for people wanting to know how we're analyzing Tesla again. And that's all we have for you today. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.